Do you find yourself wondering whether you should be the first agent in, the last agent in, or somewhere in the middle? You're not alone. And in this episode of Whiteboard Wednesday, I'm going to explain to you the rules of primacy and recency and how they can help you get more instructions. Hi, I'm Sam Ashdown from Firewave, and in this episode of Whiteboard Wednesdays, I'm going to talk to you about the rules of primacy and recency. And the rule of primacy says whatever we hear first, we're more likely to remember, it's more likely to make an impact with us. But actually, and this is sometimes a contradiction, that whatever we heard most recently can also be something that sticks in our brain. Now, that's a bit of a problem, right? Because if you go in first of, say, 3 agents to give a valuation, then you've got the rule of primacy in your favour, but you haven't got the rule of recency in your favour, because the person that goes in the third or the last is more likely to benefit from that law of recency. So what do you do? Well, this is what we do here at Ashdown Jones that enables us to convert at 95% and higher. The one thing we don't want to be is in the middle, because the middle one is most likely to be forgotten if there are 3 agents going out, because you haven't got the law of primacy or the law of recency on your side. So primacy, we try and get out first. So normally when we get asked to go out and value a house, we will ask if anybody else is going out, and we'll try and get in there first if we've got any control over the situation whatsoever. But we've also got to try and get that recency in as well. So something else we also do is quite often Phil and I will make a video, and we'll send the video a few days later after we've been in the valuation. So not only have we got the law of primacy, first one in, that all other agents will be measured by, we've also got that video, that extra bit of communication that they can see and watch anytime they want, that will enable us to also get the rule of recency and use that to our advantage. So that's how we get over this issue of being first, middle or last. We are first, but we also give them something, so we have also got the recency. So they've just watched something we've just created, and therefore we're fresh in their minds. And that really helps us to create a situation where we are converting at 95% and even better on some occasions, even though we're the highest fee in the area too. We share tips and advice like this every single day with our Firewave members. Would you like to know more about being a Firewave member? Just go to fire-wave.co.uk/start and find out whether we're already working with anybody else in your area, or whether we can have a chat with you about the benefits of being a member of Firewave. And we'll see you then.